What's up out there, guys? Welcome back to the Money Cube. Today we're going to be talking about the best time of day to take your profits on AMC and Gamestop. I'm going to specifically talk about those two stocks today because they actually had a really good return, a really good gain today. AMC has been on a tear for several days now, but let's look at GameStop first. All right, so one thing I've been noticing is that the stock market is a lot more active in the pre-market hours. That's the 2-hour window before the actual market opens. If you're on the East Coast, I believe that is 6 a.m. No, I'm sorry. I think it's 5 a.m. If you're Central Time, like where I am, I believe it's 6 a.m. So it's actually a 2-hour to 2.5 hour window. So what I saw this morning is GameStop was actually up in the pre-market hours. This is the Cash App stock area, or Cash App stocks that I'm showing you this in. And so you don't have the pre-market option in Cash App, but if you can look at the right here when the market opened at 8:30, you saw that it shot up to a 17% gain early this morning, and then it made a sharp turn downward. And then throughout the day, it went sideways, but it still hit its peaks and valleys. And I'm sure some day traders out there probably made quite a bit of money trading this little area right here. But if you're swing trading, and say if you bought this stock a couple of days ago or last night and held on to it this morning and you were able to watch it, you could have took some serious profit right in here, right at the 17% mark, or you could have set your limit order for say a 10% profit, for example, and it would have hit it right in this area right here. And so GameStop the past week is up 23%. It is now trading at $43.45. All right, so let's look at AMC. All right, now, as you can see, it says AMC is up 8% on the day. Well, that doesn't tell the whole story. So let's go in and look at the daily chart. And just like GME, early this morning, I noticed in the pre-market hours it was up even higher than 17%, but when the market opened, it was sitting at around 20%, or it shot up back up to a 20% gain, and then it made a sharp decline right in here around 9:30, and then it traded up again to 19%, came back down. So again, this was a very good friend to day traders out there that focus on the meme stocks. And I just I share that with you to say, if you focus on a few stocks, and GME and AMC may not be the two stocks you want to focus on, but if you trade a few stocks, and this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion, if you choose to invest, do so after doing your own homework. All right. So what I do is I invest in I normally don't have any more than 5 to 7 stocks that I trade on a regular basis. But I do have a squadron of about 10 to 12 that I will trade. But I'm going to become more strict on that because I just really feel like it doesn't really pay to spread yourself too thin. Because when you do that, you're chasing. So you want to become intimate with a few stocks. When I say a few, you're 5 or 6 stocks, no more than 10 to 12, and get to know how those stocks operate and how the companies operate so that you can make a well-informed decision when you invest or if you're trading. All right. So at AMC, let's look at what happened last week. If y'all didn't already know, it gained 54% last week. Last month, it gained 63%. And, people are still holding out for that short squeeze. I don't know if and when that will happen, but if it does if Megal is any kind of, precursor, and if y'all haven't paid attention to the Magic Empire, a stock, it shot up like over 1,000%. And if you don't believe me, look that up. Stock ticker MEGL. It's not on Cash App, but you can find it on Robinhood or Webull. It shot way up between Friday and today. So yeah. So yeah, y'all keep an eye on these meme stocks, man. I mean, they're doing their thing. And don't forget about Carvana. And I'm still big on Roku as well. So I'm going to be doing more videos talking about those two stocks, because Carvana is outdoing Vroom, and there's another a used car company that's similar to Carvana. Carvana is blowing them out the water as far as their performance in the stock market. So y'all hit that subscription button, give me some comments down below, and stay tuned for the next banging video, which will be coming up tomorrow.